Tired of feeling financially lost? Let's break down how Albert app works, step by step, to make your money management a breeze. First, Albert connects securely to your bank accounts and credit cards. This gives it a complete picture of your income, spending, and savings. This information allows Albert to give you personalized advice. Albert automatically categorizes your transactions. See where your money actually goes. You can customize these categories to match your spending habits. Set savings goals like vacations or a down payment. Albert can then automatically transfer small amounts from your checking to your savings regularly, making saving effortless. Need personalized advice? The Albert Genius feature lets you chat with financial experts to get answers to your specific money questions. Albert also offers investment options tailored to your risk tolerance. Start investing with as little as $1. Albert can even negotiate your bills. It identifies opportunities to lower your monthly expenses, putting more money back in your pocket. Ready to take control of your finances? Download Albert today and start building a brighter financial future.